Hey, Baloo, I got an itch. Can't reach. Help a brother out.
You don't even have hands. How do you reach anything?
I think Cleo's catnap is almost over. We might see her tomorrow. Let's get started on devotion 42. In our last devotion, we looked at the juxtaposition between the family of Hannah and Elkanah and the family of Eli the priest. We saw how their different lifestyles produced two radically different types of children. That contrast is shown for us once again in the very same chapter. In 1 Samuel 2:12-16, we find the sons of Eli abusing both the sacrifices and the worshippers. They were even threatening violence on anyone who dared to say anything about it. Having listed a great many of their iniquities, God then recorded another instance of how different these young men were. 1 Samuel 2:17, Wherefore the sin of the young men was very great before the Lord. For men abhorred the offering of the Lord. But Samuel ministered before the Lord, being a child girded with a linen ephod. Sons of Eli, Hophni, and Phinehas were so incredibly wicked that people actually hated coming to the house of the Lord to worship just because of them. But Samuel, precious Samuel, just quietly and faithfully served the Lord even as a child. It would be Samuel who led the people to love the worship of the Lord. For Hophni, Phinehas made people hate it. You who come to church, always remember that people, especially visitors, will either love the worship of the Lord or despise the worship of the Lord, based largely on what they see from the people in God's house. To wear a smile, to be friendly, to worship the Lord with all of your heart. Make people glad to come to God's house just because they know they will see you there.
Another great lesson about being friendly, especially in church.
Wait, does that go for us fishes too?
Absolutely, for the pensive turtles, to the sly kitties, to the fluffy dogs, to the suspicious fish. God's word goes for every boy and every girl. Have a blessed day, folks.